Hello guys, so in this video we will spawn our tank game object into our scene view. Okay, so this is the scene view. We will spawn our game object into it at the moment. For now, just ignore the game view. I will gonna cover the game view and how to set up the camera in detail in the later videos. So to spawn our game object, I will be needing one game object. So what I will be doing inside the hierarchy, make sure that your mouse cursor is in the hierarchy, and then right click and create empty. Then new game object will get created. Now I'm just naming this as a tank spawner. Okay, so this game object will be responsible for spawning the tank into the scene view. So I'm just resetting its transform by right clicking it and hitting it reset. I'm saving the scene. So to spawn our game object, I need to write a simple small script. Don't worry if you are totally new to the Unity and if you are totally new to the programming, try to follow up the instructions or lines of code that I'm writing. Don't worry too much how everything is working. Just try to follow up the tutorial if you are totally new to the Unity. Okay, so how to create a script? For that I will be needing one folder who will take care of all my scripts. So I will just add one folder under the assets. So click on the assets, right click and then create and folder. Okay, name it as scripts. So yeah, we have a script folder now. So click on the scripts folders again and right click, then go to the create and hit on the C# script. So this will create a new C# script for us. Now I will name the C# script as tank spawner itself. So new C# script is created. Unity is compiling. Yeah, and that's it. Now I will click on the game object tank spawner and I will click on the add component and I will just search for the tank. Yeah, as soon as I type tank, the tank spawner will appear and you just need to attach this script into this game object. As simple as that. Now to write our code, just simply double click on this script. Either you can double click from here as well as you can double click from here as well. So I'm just double clicking it. So now script is open. Don't worry too much what is this tank and what is this mono behavior, what are these all lines. Simply understand there are two Unity methods that are predefined by the Unity. One is start and another is update. Start gets called only one time when we play the game. Okay, only one time the start will get called. On the other hand, update will keep on calling every frame when our game starts. As simple as that. So update called once per frame and start only gets called for the first frame. So I don't need update at the moment, so I'm just removing it. So I'm just adding a reference inside the class of the tank spawner, public game object tank prefab, because I want to spawn the tank prefab into the scene, right? So I will be needing reference. So using instantiate, I can instantiate tank prefab at the certain position using certain rotation. Okay, don't worry, I will gonna explain it in a simple words. So basically I wrote this line, instantiate tank prefab, like please do follow exact same syntax if you are totally new to the programming. Okay, right, instantiate in the brackets, pass the tank prefab, then transform.position and then quaternion.identity. Tank prefab simply means the reference of the prefab that we want to spawn. Transform.position is nothing but the position at where we want to spawn our tank, and quaternion.identity simply means I don't want any rotations to be applied while spawning. Quaternion means rotation. It's a unit of measurement for the rotation, and identity means I want to keep it identical. I don't want to change it. So I'm just saving this script and I'm heading back to the Unity. So coming back to the Unity, now here you can see there is a tank prefab and this script is asking for the reference of the tank prefab. So what we just need to do is we just need to put this tank. So here you can see, click on the tank. First of all, click on the tank spawner and here how you can lock the inspector. So inspector will not change. Just click on the tank spawner and just click on the lock. So now this inspector is locked. Now you can easily click on the tank prefab and you can drag and drop this prefab into this reference. As simple as that. Now our script has the reference of the tank prefab, and now as soon as I save and I hit the play button, our tank will get spawned into the scene view. Here you can see our tank is spawned as soon as we are playing the game. As simple as that. Now our tank is in the scene. We will take care about the moment and MVC later in the later videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.